How to add payment method in Binance. Now, in order to add payment method in Binance, you just simply need to make an account and verify your identity at very first. And after that, just simply tap to these three bars from top left corner. Tap into that, and after going in here, you just simply need to select this setting icon from top right corner. Tap into that icon. After going in here, you will get a lot of options. First of all, you just simply need to get this payment method option from payment section. Select payment method option. Now after going into here, you will see this P2P payment methods option. Just simply tap to P2P payment method option, and here you go, you have an option to add a payment method directly. Just simply tap to add a payment method, and if you have verified your identity as I told you, you can now add payment methods such as bank account, credit card, Visa card, debit card, and many more options. You can choose the options that are available and use the one which is most comfortable for you.